Up to now, we will see the concept of design 4 to 16 decoder using the 2 to 4 decoder. Now let's see the next concept of realization of multiple output function using the binary decoder. I already tell you about the Act2 high case output and the Act2 low output. Now let's see those two terms and those two concepts deliberately in this lecture. Now the concept will be the realization of multiple output function using binary decoder. You already know here there will be then two output states. Decoder can have two output states. The first case will be the Act2 high case and second case will be the Act2 low case. Now let's see in this lecture we will try to complete the Act2 high output case. That will be the Act2 high output. Act2 high output means it generates the min terms, that means product terms for input variables. It makes selected output logic 1. It generates min terms. Min terms means you already know it will follow the SOP function, right? Product terms in bracket for input variables. That means it select logic 1. Right? It will follow the SOP. That means it can implement it by ORing the selected decoder outputs. This will be the important point. This can be implemented by ORing the selected decoder outputs. Okay, right? Now let's see the small example in this SOP form. That means ORing the decoder outputs. Question: implement function f is equal to summation of m 1 2 3 7 using 3:8 decoder. Right? That means this will become the input and 8 will become the output. Right? Here If you take 3 to 8 decoder, you will make the 3 inputs, that will be the A, B and C, and enable, and you will get the 8 outputs, that will be the Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. Here you can observe 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3 and 7. Here what we can do, this can be implemented by ORing. ORing means OR gate. If you put the OR gate and you will get the function F. These questions will be so simple only. But if you get the logic means. And same question or same concept if you want to apply as an active high output in the form of POS function, what will happen? This will be the SOP form. You will get this OR gate. If you want to get this in the terms of POS function means you just complementing the OR gate. If you complement the OR gate, you will get the NOR gate, right? This can be achieved by connecting NOR gate instead of OR gate. You will get the POS function implementation. POS function implementation. Right? This can be achieved by connecting NOR gate instead of OR gate. NOR gate. Now let's see the question, small question. Implement function f is equal to pi capital M of 1357 using 3:8 decoder with active high output. In the examination, if they will be asked active high input means you can draw the structure like this. If they will ask the active low output means that structure will be the different. And see the paper how they will be asked. It will be the active high output or the active low output. Now let's see this case or this problem. Here 3 to 8 decoder, 3 inputs A, B and C. This will be the inputs, right? Here you will take the enable and here you will get the outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7. Here they will be asked 1, next 3, next 5, next 7. Here they will make the by connecting the OR gate instead of NOR gate. NOR gate means just complement it. In this way, you will make the active high output using the decoder 3:8 decoder. In the next lecture we will see them for active low output what will be the POS function implementation as well as SOP function implementation. Thank you.